Tom Hanks, renowned for his award-winning performances, has another lesser-known passion: collecting vintage typewriters. Since the late 1970s, Hanks has amassed over 100 machines, including iconic models like his father's Underwood, the Olympia Model SM8, and the Hermes 3000. For Hanks, these typewriters are more than relics. They are brilliant combinations of art and engineering that offer a tactile and personal experience rarely found in the digital age. Hanks doesn't just collect these machines, he uses them. Known for crafting personal notes and letters, he values the connection between the writer and the page that only a typewriter can provide. His enthusiasm even led to the publication of Uncommon Type in 2017, a collection of short stories inspired by his collection. Each story reflects his deep appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship of these machines. Beyond his personal collection, Hanks shares his passion with others. In a notable act of generosity, he donated a 1953 East German Rheinmetall GS typewriter to Philly Typewriter, a repair shop in South Philadelphia dedicated to preserving these mechanical marvels. His gesture underscores his commitment to celebrating and sustaining the legacy of typewriters. Hanks' devotion highlights not just nostalgia, but an understanding of the historical and artistic value of typewriters. For him, they represent a bridge between creativity and craftsmanship, an enduring symbol of personal connection in a fast-paced digital world.